Ever struggled with dull blades and sad smoothies? Today I'm revealing the top 5 blenders that crush ice like a winter storm. No more chunky drinks or cranky mornings. Stay tuned for powerful picks that transform your kitchen. Links in the description make buying easy. Grab yours and blend boldly. At number 5 is Ninja BN801. Ice doesn't fight fair. It cracks blades, stalls motors, and ruins drinks right when guests are watching. That's the problem most people face when hunting for the top 5 best blender for chopping ice. Power on paper. Disappointment in the jar. Enter the Ninja BN801. Built with a 1400 watt motor that doesn't hesitate. Its stacked blade assembly attacks ice from multiple angles, not just the bottom. Auto IQ programs remove guesswork, turning uneven cubes into clean, snowy texture fast. In real kitchens, that matters. No more stopping to shake the pitcher. No half-crushed chunks floating on top. Compared with others, a Ninja BN801 brings more torque and versatility, especially with frozen loads and thicker blends. The trade-off? It's louder. And the larger pitcher demands counter space. Still, when ice is the enemy, strength wins. The BN801 doesn't flirt with frozen ingredients. It finishes the job, leaving you relieved, prepared, and ready for the next round. At number 4 is NutriBullet 1200 watts. Ice doesn't forgive weak motors, it exposes them in seconds. That's the problem most buyers face. You want clean snowy ice. You get loud rattling and half-crushed chunks. In any list of the top 5 best blender for chopping ice, power and blade design decide everything. This is where the NutriBullet 1200 watts quietly changes the experience. Short bursts. Instant torque. Ice breaks down instead of bouncing around. The 1200 watt motor paired with stainless extractor blades chews through cubes for smoothies, frozen drinks and meal prep without constant shaking. The pulse control gives you timing control, not guesswork. Real life check. Single serve cups save time. Cleanup stays simple. It's louder than lower watt models, and the cup size limits big batches. Compared with others, a NutriBullet trades capacity for speed and counter space. If crushed ice keeps ruining your drinks, this feels like flipping a switch from frustration to flow. On number 3 is Chefman Obliterator. Ice doesn't forgive weak blenders. One uneven crush can turn a frozen drink into a watery letdown. That's the real problem buyers face. You want snow smooth ice. Not rattling cubes. Not burnt motors. In the conversation around the top 5 best blenders for chopping ice, the Chefman Obliterator earns attention for one reason. Raw, controlled force. Its high-torque motor attacks frozen loads without stalling, while hardened stainless steel blades bite fast and clean. A responsive pulse control lets you stop over-crushing before heat melts the texture. Daily use tells the truth. Ice for smoothies. Crushed ice for cocktails. Frozen fruit without babysitting. There are trade-offs. It's louder than compact blenders. And it takes counter space. Compared with others, the Obliterator feels more aggressive but less refined in presets. You trade automation for hands-on control, and many prefer that. Relief comes when the ice finally behaves. Value shows up in fewer replacements. When the last cube disappears, the decision suddenly feels obvious. At number 2 is Turbosaver TB79. Ice doesn't forgive weak motors. One bad blend can turn a party drink into watery regret. That's the real problem buyers face. Crushed ice that melts too fast. Blades that stall. Noise without results. In any list of the top 5 best blender for chopping ice, this is where the Turbosaver TB79 earns attention. Start with power. The TB79's high-torque motor and hardened stainless steel blades attack cubes instead of bouncing off them. Ice turns snow like not slushy. Control matters too. Its pulse function gives short, aggressive bursts perfect for frozen drinks and shaved ice textures. Daily use feels practical. A sturdy jar. Simple controls. Less guesswork. There are trade-offs. It's louder than compact blenders. And the design leans functional over flashy. Compared with others, a Turbosaver TB79 feels more decisive with dense ice. though slightly heavier on the counter. What you gain is relief. No half-crushed cubes. No second blending cycle. It ends the ice struggle, and that alone changes everything. Now moving to the last one is Hamilton Beach Power. Ice doesn't forgive weak motors, and most blenders fail that test in seconds. That's the real frustration shoppers face. Watery slush. Burnt smells. Chunks that refuse to break. In the hunt for the top 5 best blender for chopping ice, Hamilton Beach Power earns attention for one simple reason: it respects the job. The power motor hits hard. Stainless steel blades bite fast. Ice cubes turn to snow without babysitting the pulse button. Use it for frozen drinks, smoothie bowls, or last-minute party prep. The glass jar feels steady. The controls stay simple. Cleanup doesn't steal your night. But let's be honest. It's loud. And it won't impress design lovers chasing premium finishes. Compared with others, to a Hamilton Beach Power trades extra programs for straightforward strength. Fewer modes. Less guessing. More crushing. For buyers tired of replacing blenders that tap out early, this model feels like relief. It delivers value through durability, not hype. When ice stops being a problem, everything in the kitchen suddenly moves faster. Among Ninja BN801 NutriBullet 1200 watts, Chefman Obliterator Turbosaver TB79 and Hamilton Beach Power Blender, the winner is the Ninja BN801. The Ninja BN801 offers powerful 1400W performance, versatile auto IQ blending, and multiple attachments for smoothies, food processing, crushing ice, and even dough work. It's designed for large batches and daily kitchen use, unlike basic personal blenders or low-power budget models. Its combination of strength, versatility, capacity, and durability makes it the best choice if you want one blender that truly handles everything you throw at it. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best blender for chopping ice. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.